Hey everyone, Coach Investor back to another video for today. So let's talk about Sea Limited. It's been a while since I've covered it on this channel. I've covered the earnings report, so if you want to watch that, it's going to be in the top right corner. But I am going to show you a couple of things again in this video. Now the stock is down 80% from its all-time highs. Very important to note that those huge drawdowns, 80%, 70%, 60%, are from all-time highs. Not everybody buys shares at all-time highs. Very important to remember that. So let's talk about Sea Limited. This is again a quick overview of how the company has fared in the last couple of years. So revenue obviously has gone up tremendously, especially in the last 2 years. Now free cash flow was positive for a little while, but now, well, we've seen it's in the negative and very, very negative. The company is not profitable. They have this profitable side of the business, which we're going to talk about in a bit. Now return on equity is still not good, negative 45%. As I said, drawdown from its peak, which started actually very late considering everything else. It started towards the end of 2021, unlike the others, which started at the beginning of 2021. Now gross profit margin is close to 40%, so that's quite nice. Now we also do have some good news for the company, some announcements with regards to their big and very, very popular game, Garena Free Fire, and that's actually the side that is, let's say, profitable for the company. They use that cash to fund the other business segment, but lately even that segment has taken a hit, but we're going to have a look at that in just a bit. But if you want to support this channel, do check out the link down in the description and in the pinned comment to get the top 10 best stocks to buy now, or go to fool.com/couchinvestor. And also do check out all the other links in the pinned comment. Most of them are free, and basically all of them will either save you some money, you get something for free, or it will help you in your investment journey. So why not check it out? First announcement is Justin Bieber is performing and debuting a new song in Garena Free Fire. The song will debut as part of the 5th anniversary celebration on August 27, so at the end of next month. Now, if you're familiar with gaming, you know that concerts inside games aren't very rare these days. Fortnite has done it, Roblox has done it as well. This is the type of metaverse concert, let's say. And to be honest, those are very, very lucrative for the artist, in this case, Justin Bieber. And it also brings a lot of people to the game, which probably is a good thing for Garena Free Fire to revive maybe that fan base. And the second announcement is that Shopee opens 5 new distribution centers in Brazil. Now, yes, Sea Limited, Southeast Asia is a big market, but Latin America is another big market for them as well. Another big player there is obviously Mercado Libre. We have Alibaba there, Amazon as well, but Shopee has been growing quite quickly. As we see right here, Shopee has become one of Brazil's most downloaded e-commerce app since its launch there in 2019, drawing users to its low-cost marketplace. The company told Valor that the new centers are located in cities of São João de Merito. Okay, lots of cities with a Brazilian name, and I don't want to make the Brazilian accent the Portuguese accent right now. Shopee has a high volume of sales of low unit priced goods, which means greater turnover of 1,000 products per day, requiring a robust distribution center. Now, some more information here, and especially this paragraph will be interesting if you did not know it. So in mid-May, the company beat quarterly sales estimates and posted a smaller than expected quarterly loss, driven by strength in its core e-commerce operation and digital payments business. After a meteoric run in 2020 and part of 2021, with multiple quarters of triple-digit revenue growth and expansion into new markets, including Mexico and Spain, Sea's growth dwindled as the pandemic-fueled boom in e-commerce and digital entertainment shrank. Now, in March, the company announced it had pulled out of India and France, while rising costs and supply chain issues added to its troubles, driving Sea shares 70% lower this year. Now, with regards to the distribution center, this is a good move for the company. Yes, it will cost them in the short term, but for the long term, this is key for profitability because, well, if you want to ship things fast, if you want those shipping costs to be reduced in the long term, this is the way to go. And this is why I actually hold Mercado Libre, because their logistics network is just top notch. And now remember what I said with regards to Garena Free Fire, so the digital entertainment side of the business. And this is what has been happening in the last couple of quarters. It has been taking a hit. Yes, we do know, we've talked about the India ban as well, but you do want to see in the next quarter maybe a, stop of the bleeding here, because otherwise, things could get uglier very, very fast. Now, quarterly paying users is also down quite a lot, and this is just cause and effect. As for the C-Money, the digital financial service that they offer, this one is still growing quite a lot, but then again, it's still a very, very small part of their business, but it's good to see that that part is still growing. Now, one last thing, obviously the e-commerce part, so Shopee, so gross order increased 71% year over year, decreased quarter over quarter. That was last quarter, not the one that we're going to get in August. The earnings report in August. GMV increased 39% year over year, but also down quarter over quarter. Let's see what happens in Q2. And then, yes, I do want to show you that gross profit, total gross profit increased 81% year over year. And that's why you saw the gross profit margin before close to 40%. But as always, with that growth, there are some costs and expenses. And as you can see, those have been increasing as well year over year. Net loss, as I said, the company is not profitable and will probably not be profitable soon. So there you have it. That's C right now, a little revisit of what has been happening with the company, because I know it's a pretty popular company. Now, again, it's a great company for the future. Right now, still not profitable, still investing a lot and still losing some money. Remains to be seen what happened with that digital entertainment side of the business. Can that rebound? If so, they will probably again use that money to invest in the other two segments, which is the e-commerce, which is burning a lot of money, and the C-Money as well. So it remains to be seen what happens. Again, tremendous company, high growth, not profitable, will not be profitable soon. But for long-term investors, maybe right now might be a good time to check out this company, maybe add to your position dollar cost average, take it slow. There is no reason to run. But do share all your thoughts down in the comments below. Have you been adding? Have you been selling? Do you actually hold C? Do you hold maybe Mercado Libre? Leave it all down in the comments below. And if you enjoy this type of videos, leave it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, maybe hit that subscribe button. And I see you all in the next one. Bye bye.